The breakthrough of jackfruit lies on its rich and unique components, as seen above, that have the ability for curing and providing solutions for various health concerns ranging from cancer to weight loss and more. Here are the 10 miraculous benefits of jackfruit. 1. Cancer inhibitor. Jackfruit is rich in antioxidants. This, along with its antioxidant and phytonutrient properties and high vitamin C content, can help wage war against several types of cancers. 2. Weight loss. Since jackfruit is fat-free and low in calories, many weight-conscious individuals incorporate it into their daily diet. 3. Lowers blood pressure. Hearts love potassium, and jackfruit is an excellent source of it. Potassium helps manage blood pressure, which can reduce the chances of heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular problems. 4. Improves digestion. Loaded with fiber, jackfruit helps the digestive system function properly and even removes toxins. 5. Relieves insomnia. Those who are unable to enjoy a peaceful night's sleep may benefit from jackfruit. Its high concentration of magnesium and iron can have you counting sheep in your dreams in no time. 6. Diabetic issues. While jackfruit is sweet, some diabetics may avoid it. Yet studies have shown that individuals who consume jackfruit can improve their glucose tolerance. 7. Aids vision and refreshes the skin. One of the many benefits of vitamin A is its capacity to improve eyesight. It also seems to help prevent macular degeneration. It's not surprising that this superfruit is filled to the brim with vitamin A. And as jackfruit cleanses the body from toxins, your complexion will have a radiant glow. It also can reverse some of the effects of sun-damaged skin. 8. Ulcer remedy. Jackfruit is a natural remedy for ulcers. Its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties promote healing without causing adverse side effects. 9. Supports bone health. Jackfruit is even able to help promote bone health. Its high content of magnesium aids the body in absorbing calcium. 10. Nervous system ally. This powerful, gigantic fruit even targets our nervous system. Its nutrients stimulate and enhance our immune and nervous systems to keep us enjoying good health. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.